You make decent money, so why is your bank account empty at the end of the month? It's not because you bought too many lattes, it's because you don't have a system. Most people think that budgeting is about restrictions, that it's annoying. It's not. Budgeting is about permission, knowing that you can enjoy some stuff guilt-free because the bills are already paid for. Hello, fellow wealth seekers! Today we're gonna be talking about the only money rule one ever really needs. And because I really want you to follow this, I'm going to be giving away my tracking dashboard to everyone who interacts with this video. Now, this topic makes me genuinely glad. I'm happy to talk about it because I actually made of budgeting my strong suit throughout my whole full-time career over the past 15 years. The 50-30-20 rule simplifies your entire financial life in 3 clear buckets. Simply take your net income, whatever hits your bank on a monthly basis, and split it as follows. 50% is for needs. These are the bills that, if not paid, cost you your house or your health, rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities. But if your needs go above 50%, you are in the danger zone and will need to cut costs elsewhere or increase your income. 30% is for wants. That's the fun stuff. Your holidays, the new iPhone, dining out. You can be clear on spending this money. There's sort of a budgeted green light or a guilt-free amount, but make it very, very strict when it comes to the ceiling at 30%. Lastly, but not least, is the 20% for savings. This is non-negotiable. That's investments, paying off debt, emergency fund if you don't have one. This is not what is left at the end of the month. This is what has to be set aside first in order to secure your financial future. An extra tip. Do you want to supercharge your 20% saved with an additional 3 to 5% that grows invisible and pain-free? Simply participate to your company's matching pension funds. Essentially, the company pays the equivalent that you already did to match your contributions, and this grows tax deferred. Now, I enjoy doing this math every single month, but not everybody does. So I would like to share my tracking sheet, the tool that helped me save the first 10,000 euros back in the day. And I'm giving it to you for free. Just subscribe and check the pinned comment down below. A quick snapshot. Here you will see the monthly flow of expenses based on the category tag that you log and the respective timestamp. And here you will see a comprehensive overview of where your money is going. I want to make sure we start 2026 strong. First, everyone who subscribes and leaves a comment under any of my videos will receive my free top 5 investment strategies for 2026. Simply post a comment and I'll drop the link. Secondly, I will be tracking the most active members of the community. So the ones that leave the most likes and meaningful comments will receive a free copy of one of my favorite finance books of all time, The Psychology of Money from Morgan Housel. So drop a comment, subscribe, and let's get your money right. Keeping the wants under 30% is by far the most difficult part of every budgeter each month. But don't worry, I'm working on a video on how we can trick our brain, rewiring why certain expenses aren't needed. Coming out soon. Till the next lab session, European Wealth Lab out.